spend the rest of my life with the same one, same one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Tryna spend the rest of my life with my day one, day one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Company. How you still a 10 with the one for me? You get off at 6, you should come vibe. Play your favorite song, singing all of me. I'm just tryna build forever. Ain't no storm we can't weather. When the sun goes down, I'll still be around for you. Here for all of that, yeah, yeah. Know I got you back, yeah, yeah. You my right hand, but I ring the match. On your left hand, you my better half. Lost in your love and I can't get back now. Fight for your heart and I will not back down, yeah. Baby, won't you come with me? I'm just tryna chill. I'm just tryna live with my day one.
2 hours later.
Baby, you're all the company I need. Tryna spend the rest of my life with my day one, day one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need.
That does not look pre-plucked at all. And I forgot to mention this in my Letitia video. These wigs are not big head friendly. They are so small and so tight. But yeah, as you can see, I gotta pull it forward a little bit. But I didn't lay down the entire lace. But I just wanted to show you guys that these hairlines is not pre-plucked on these new lace wigs. Look how thick up that looks. Looking real thick.
Baby, you're all the company I need. Tryna spend the rest of my life with my day one, day one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Company. How you still a 10 with the one?
Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Your girl is feeling good, okay? I'm feeling real spicy, hot tamale. With this blonde on, y'all. Y'all see I got my fatigues on. I know some soldiers in here. Where they at? Where they at? They trying to take care of me. Hey, well, I already got my soldier. Sergeant Rumble-Slang, come take care of me. I did purchase this wig off of Wig Types. I'll go ahead and leave that direct link down below so you can check that out. But if you do not want to shop at Wig Types, you ain't got to shop at Wig Types. You can shop wherever your heart desires. Then I kiss your lips and you turn on my fire, baby. The wig that I'm wearing today is by Sensationnel. It is their What Lace Cloud 9 Swiss Lace wig. This hair is 100% premium fiber. Premium Niber. I made that up. All right. And they said this is HD lace. It's supposed to keep y'all guessing. It comes with a natural hair density in the hairline. That's a lie. I'm here to tell y'all now. That's a lie. This wig is heat resistant safe up to 400 degrees. I have it in the style Zelena. She reminds me of a West Side Story. You know, Maria. No? Okay, and I have this wig in the color Flamboyage saying. Yes, y'all, this color is hitting. For the rest of the video, her name is Zelena, okay? She is not worthy of being Shalina, all right? Oh, y'all thought I said Selena? I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the pros and cons of this wig. Y'all know how I do. I'm gonna give y'all those cons first. Okay, the first con about this wig, y'all, and it's not even that the lace is too ashy. We got other problems. The first con is that the hairline is not pre-plucked, okay? And I got an attitude about that because as y'all saw when I was doing the middle part, it looked real wiggish. And I was like, yo, what is going on, Sensationnel? Okay? This is not what we doing. This is not popping at all. The wet lace line is known for its natural hairline. Y'all, they done put some Rogaine up in these wigs, y'all, because it's real thickety thick around the hairline. So you're going to have to pluck it a little bit. Y'all, I did it off camera. I didn't know what I was doing. That's why I ain't recording for y'all. But I went in and I did, you know, pluck a few little hairs or whatever. I like for my wigs to look natural. I don't like for nobody to clock me and be like, girl, you got on a wig. I don't care if I had a short bob yesterday and today I'm long and blonde. It's not a wig. Mind your business, okay? So that is the first con. So just let y'all know. And they still got the same price. They selling these wigs for the same price without the natural hairline. That's a problem. I can work with the ashy lace. But that hairline, I don't know how to pluck. So that makes me mad. All right. The second con I would have to say is that the hair tangles out of this world. It's so frustrating because why are you tangling so much and you're so freaking beautiful, Zelena. I was about to call her Shalina, but Zelena is so pretty, and I'm really disappointed that she sheds. Well, she does shed, but I'm disappointed that she tangles so freaking much, y'all. You cannot even run your hands through the wig like this without catching some snags. It feels like straight Barbie doll hair. Another con is that it does shed, but it didn't shed as much as it tangled. So let's jump right into the pros. First pro of this wig, baby, is the color. Do y'all see me? Looking like Barbie. Where is my nakin? Naja kin. We put it together, we get nakin. Oh, my husband not listening to me. He's gonna be like, Shanise. Y'all, don't feel bad for my husband. He knew what it was when he signed up. Hey, don't feel bad for him at all, y'all. He got to deal with all these theatrics. Y'all think I'm dramatic on this video. Imagine living with me, okay? We'll sing anything, okay? We'll bust out and twerk anywhere, okay? Like 112. We can do it anywhere. Another pro I would have to say is the layers. I am loving the layers in this wig, okay? I was really trying to love this wig, you know, because it got the whole shebangy bang bang action going on. When you rake this bang back and push it forward, yo, pop in. Do you hear me? Y'all want to see it right quick? Hold on. Wait for it. Wait. Look at that. Poppage. Baby. Yes. So the layers on this wig is everything, but the tangle's gonna be like, nah, bro. I ain't fooling with it. Overall, I think this wig is very pretty. Would I recommend this wig? No, I wouldn't. I would tell you, save the extra coins and just go get a basic wig. Free Trust Valentino. What? Sensational China. You know, something that has all these big curls and body and volume. I feel like you can get this look with another wig for a cheaper price. I did pay for this wig myself. And no, I don't feel like I wasted my money. But I could afford another wig that's popping. You know, because she is pretty. Don't get me wrong. But she ain't worth it. I got all hyped up for this wig and I was let down. Can you stand the... Remember that this is my personal opinion, y'all. If you got this wig and you love it, rock it, slay it. And if you want this wig, get it. It might work out for you. Okay? I'm just here to give y'all my thoughts and opinions and give y'all this review. That's it. That's it. And to sing to y'all. Isn't she lovely? If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, Drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
You my right hand, but I ring the match.